Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Today, we're going to be showcasing a new product from Iceman Collections. We're going to be using that to build our 66 Mustang Coupe. Come on in. Let's show you the parts.
This video is brought to you in part by Iceman Collections, the best in 3D printed parts. Head to his website and get some today.
All right. Well, today we're going to be showcasing a new product from Iceman Collections. The new Ford small six-cylinder. Now this represents a 144, 170, or 200, which came in lots of Ford vehicles from 60 to 83. It was used for 23 years. I'll list the cars it was available in. Let's go over the parts that you get in your kit. Well, the basic kit, here's what you get, is 2 engine blocks, multiple different style of valve covers. From early model here in the middle, you got a custom, and then you got a stock one from the 70s. Different cylinder heads here. You got 3 carburetors. Single carburetor are like side draft carburetors. Now, if you're not familiar with this engine, the intake manifold was cast integral on the cylinder head, so it was not removable. So that was why it was tough to hot rod these engines. They were great little engines. And then here's the transmission. It's a manual. And your oil pan, a little header there. And then we got the 70s style air filter, mid 60s and then early 60s up here. Your front cover and belt and fan pulley. Different air filters, different carburetors depending on what year you pick. There's oil filter, fan, there's another different carburetors, air breathers, all sorts of stuff here. Up there's another carburetor up there, side draft air filters. And like I said, you get 2 blocks. So if you go ahead and spend the extra bucks and get this accessory kit that he offers with an additional oil pan and transmission and front cover, now you got enough to build 2 complete engines from this kit, and which is not a lot of money. Check out his website right there. And right now, if you use Louis 10, you get a 10% discount on anything in the website. So pick anything, not just this product, but anything in the website, and then he'll give you a discount special for our viewers. So go ahead over to his website and pick you up one of these or anything else that he makes. He makes excellent products. I buy stuff many times from him. And also, along with this, if you buy this part here, this stuff, the oil pan and air filter parts, now you can fit it into your 66 to 77 Bronco that Revell makes, because they use this engine in the small Bronco. So, Ford used these engines, like I said, from 60 to 83, and they used them in the Falcon, Comet from 60 to 64, and then the Fairlane Intermediate from 62 to 65, and then the Fairlane got a little bit bigger, 66 to 69, and that was the Fairlane and Torino, and then they used them in the Maverick from 70 to 77, and also the Comet from 71 to 77, the Torino body style 70-71, the Bronco 66 to 77, the small little Bronco, remember the little guy. Also in the Mustang from 64.5 to 73. When they went to Mustang 2, they have dropped this engine for that body style. They also resumed it in 79 to 83 for the Fox body Mustang. There's a few of them out there with the straight 6. Ford Granada and Monarch, 75 to 80, and then the remember the little Fairmont, remember that little guy, 78 to 83, along with the Mercury version, the Zephyr. So this kit has a lot of versatile parts. You can make it custom stock. You can put it in tons of different Ford vehicles. This is a great kit. We're going to use it, like I said, for our Mustang kit. So look for that later on this week. We're going to start on it as soon as we're done here with this video. Well, I hope you enjoyed this small little history of this 6-cylinder engine and also this super high quality product from Iceman Collections. Be sure to go get yours today. And as always, I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.